Top 10 SAP products you should know. Let's go. Number 1. SAP S/4HANA, over 50,000 implementations and counting, real-time analytics, AI smarts, used in finance, manufacturing, you name it. Number 2, SAP Business One, over 70,000 small businesses love it, handles finance, inventory, CRM, and more, perfect for growing companies. 3, SAP Business ByDesign, a full cloud ERP for mid-size firms, used in over 140 countries. Easy, scalable, powerful. Number 4, SAP SuccessFactors, HR's best friend. Talent management, payroll, employee experience. Trusted by 7,000 plus orgs. Number 5, SAP Ariba, the go-to for procurement. Millions use it for smarter sourcing and supply chains. Number 6, SAP Customer Experience. Think marketing, sales, service, all synced for unforgettable customer journeys. Number 7, SAP Analytics Cloud. Plan, predict, visualize, one platform, endless business insights. Number 8, SAP IBP. Real-time supply chain planning, forecasting, inventory magic. Yes, please. Number 9, SAP Fieldglass. Manage freelancers and vendors with ease. Big in energy and healthcare. Number 10, SAP Concur. Say goodbye to messy expenses. Automate travel and invoice management. Stress-free. SAP is everywhere, powering over 400,000 companies worldwide. Which one does your biz use? Drop it in the comments.